You have made the decision to purchase MobiFirst because you have seen the ease of creating sites with it, the speed that the pages open, and the time-saving automatic optimization it provides. Security for your sites isn't a choice anymore. Instead, it is now mandatory and an internet best practice. If you have clicked on a link to a site and been confronted with a "this site is not secure" message, then you know how disconcerting it can be. Many of us know that there is nothing wrong or malicious with the site. It only means that the site does not have an SSL certificate or that the certificate has expired. As long as you are not submitting payment information on these sites, then it is safe to visit these sites. However, many people are scared away by that message never to return. Security point 1. What exactly is an SSL certificate? And what will it do for a site? SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer. SSL.a SSL secured site will have HTTPS=secure at the beginning of the URL. SSL certificates allow information to be securely transferred from a browser to a server. SSL provides the encrypted security to protect communications from being intercepted or manipulated. In other words, it will make information unreadable except at the intended destination. SSL certificate builds trust and brand power for visitors and customers. Allows orders or payments to be placed on the site. Allows personal information to be collected. Protects against cybercriminals. Improves SEO rankings. Security point 2. How do you add an SSL certificate to your site? If you are going to add an SSL certificate yourself, you must search out a trusted provider who also offers tech support. Make sure you have the correct level of security, purchase it, then configure it properly using best practices on your server. Please note that if you don't do it right, it can cause critical problems and significant time delays. In fact, a malformed certificate can bring down the whole server that it is on, taking out all the sites that are on it. Security point 3. That's why we at MobiFirst offer SSL certificates and installation for you. We give you the peace of mind that you need about installation and the speed of doing it for you and having it active quickly. And our certificates are accepted on mobile. For $39 per year domain, we will install your certificate and have it active, usually in less than 1 hour. Your part? One click and done. Note, for those of you who are experienced in installing your own SSL certificates, you are welcome to upload your own certificates at no cost. However, your certificates will be vetted and approved manually by the MobiFirst tech support staff. Depending on the amount of work needing done at the time, this could mean a delay of 1 to several days.